Exploring the wonders of the ant world, small tales tell big stories. This video can be an interesting exploration of the world of ants and the wonders that surround them. It contains information about their social and hierarchical organization, the unique ways of communicating and connecting, and their abilities to carry heavy weights and build amazing sand towers. Also explore the offensive and defensive strategies they use, such as the strength of numbers that enables them to cooperate in prey attacks and defend their colonies. Explain the different types of ants and how they live in different environments around the world, which promotes diversity and ecological adaptation. In addition, recent research on ants and their amazing discoveries, such as their ability to solve problems and make joint decisions, highlight which may provide valuable insights for technological development and artificial intelligence. Show the small details and the quick movements they make. Social and hierarchical organization of ants. Ants are famous for their complex and hierarchical social organization. Ants live in colonies called ants, consisting of a group of individual ants that work together in concert to achieve the goals of the colony. They have a clear division of labor, in which individual ants are assigned to perform specific tasks according to their individual specializations and skills. Ant communication and the unique connection. Ant communication relies on a chemical odor exchange system known as pheromones. Ants use pheromones to communicate with each other, mark food trails, warn others of dangers, establish identity, and regulate social behavior. The ability of ants to carry heavy weights and build amazing sand towers. Ants have amazing abilities to lift heavy weights and build complex structures. Despite their small size, ants can carry many times their own weight with ease. Some species of ants can lift up to 50 times their own weight. To build amazing sand towers, ants work collectively to move grains of sand and create structures of intricate shapes. They use their unique engineering abilities to create passages, chambers, and other configurations that promote ventilation and protect the colony from flooding and warming. These unique features of sleep regulation. Their sociability and abilities to carry heavy weights and build sand towers make them of interest to researchers and scientists, and provide us with a deep understanding of cooperation and organization in the insect world. Naturally, ants have amazing offensive and defensive strategies that enable them to cooperate in prey attacks and defend their colonies. Here is some information about that. The strength of numbers and cooperation. Ants live in communities consisting of thousands or even millions of ants. It takes advantage of the strength of numbers to achieve its goals, whether it be attacks on prey or defense of the colony. Ants work in concert to work as one unit in achieving the common goal. Attacks of prey. Many species of ants cooperate in attacks of prey to obtain food. Ants locate potential prey and cooperate to attack it simultaneously. They use pheromones to communicate and organize attack, which allows them to coordinate effectively and quickly. Defending the colony. When the colony is threatened, the ants fight back vigorously to defend it. They form defensive lines and cooperate to fend off attacks. Some species also use bites and bites to defend the colony and deter enemies. Different types of ants. There are more than 12,000 known species of ants around the world. These species differ in shape, size, behavior, and adaptations to their environment. Some popular types include fire ants, characterized by their red color and strong sting. These species form huge colonies. It is aggressive when defending itself. Leafcutter ants. One of the most impressive species is the leafcutter ants, which cut the leaves of plants and use them as food to raise their own fungus. Army ants. Live in huge groups that move mobile ly in search of food. This species forms mass attacks on prey and eats it. These are just a few examples, and there are many others with unique behavior and strategies that are worth exploring. Naturally, there are many interesting species of ant. Here are some additional examples. Bullet ant. The bullet ant is one of the most painfully biting ants, with a bullet-like sting. Weaver ants. Weaver ants live in trees and use plant leaves to build their nests, as they tie tree leaves together with the silk threads they produce. Driver ants. Selete ants are distinguished by their large size and attack power. They move in huge convoys and attack anything in their path to get food. Turtle ants. Turtle ants are distinguished by their large head and powerful jaws. This species uses its jaws to catch prey and form small colonies underground. Velvet ant. Although it's not really an ant, it looks like an ant. The copper ant is a non-flying insect with a bright orange color and large size. This is just a small sample of the diversity of ant species around the world. Many other species exist, each with unique behavior and features worth discovering and exploring. Ants have an amazing ability to solve problems and make joint decisions in the context of their social organization. Here are some interesting points about these capabilities. Collective sensing. Ants use collective sensing to deal with challenges and solve problems. When ants discover new food or encounter an obstacle in their path, they use pheromones and chemical communication to relay information to the rest of the colony. Joint decision-making. Ants work collectively to make important decisions for the colony, such as locating a new colony.